Marami ang nagsabing very touching ang latest post ni Sharon Cuneta tungkol sa kanyang weight loss journey. Nag-post nga si Sharon ng bagong picture niya kung saan ay pansin na pansin ang kanyang pagpayat. Caption ng megastar, "For the first time in over 20 years, I was able to shop for clothes again that I actually want to wear. I went up to a size 24 years ago, and that was when I truly panicked, because my health was suffering. I am now back to size 6 hanggang 8, a small to medium. And when I tried on clothes for my new wardrobe, I was moved to tears because I still couldn't believe I had finally lost all that ugly extra weight. Not done yet, just a few more. I thank the Lord every day." Inilagay rin ni Sharon ang mga brand na gamit-gamit niya sa picture na iyon: pants, Lululemon, shirt, Dunno. The brand bought in Capri, Italy, bag, Fleuren Paris, watch, rose gold, chocolate face R. Daytona. Marami nga ang gandang-ganda kay Sharon at sinabing fit and fab na talaga ngayon ang megastar. May iba rin na nagsabing tama lang na sinabi ng megastar na, "I truly panicked, because my health was suffering," dahil marami rin sa followers niya ang mas magiging conscious ngayon. May mga nakausap naman kami na nagsabing inspiration daw nila ang megastar at magsisimula na rin sila ng kanilang weight loss plan. Ang bongga rin ni Sharon dahil inspiration din siya ngayon ng karamihan sa kanilang pagpapapayat at pagpapaka-healthy. Ha?